In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the draw.io macro in a Confluence page. This can be incredibly useful for those looking to enhance their Confluence documentation by adding diagrams, flowcharts, or visual representations of data right into their pages. Let's walk through this process step by step so that you can seamlessly integrate draw.io into your workflow. To start off, open up your Confluence space and navigate to the main dashboard. Here, you will find a menu option labeled For You. It's a great centralized hub for many features and functionalities that Confluence has to offer. Next, we need to dive into the apps that Confluence supports. Locate and click on the Apps option in your toolbar. It might be situated near the top of the page, providing access to a variety of applications that you can integrate with Confluence to enhance its capabilities. Now, we're going to explore the marketplace for apps that are available. Do this by clicking on Explore More Apps, which will redirect you to the Confluence Marketplace interface. This is where you can search for a vast range of plugins designed to expand the functionality of your Confluence pages. In the search bar, type in draw.io and hit enter. You'll see a list of related applications, and you should look for the one labeled Draw Diagrams. This particular app is fantastic for creating UML, BPMN, AWS diagrams, ERD, and much more. Click on it to proceed. You're now taken to the Draw.io app page. Here, look for the Try It Free button. Click on this, which prompts you to confirm the site you want the app to be linked to. This is an important step to ensure that the Draw.io functionality is integrated into the correct Confluence site. Once you've chosen your site, click on Review. This gives you an overview of your selections and what you are about to install. If everything looks good, the next action is to start the free trial by clicking the Start Free Trial button, which allows you to explore all the features the Draw.io macro offers without any immediate commitment. After you have initiated the trial, go back to the Confluence page where you plan to embed the Draw.io diagrams. Open or start editing the page where you want your diagrams to appear. In the editing mode, type in draw.io in the toolbar or macro search. This will allow you to insert a new draw.io board or a new diagram, or even embed an existing one if you prefer. It's all about choosing the option that best fits your needs. And there you have it, integrating draw.io into your Confluence page in several simple steps. By following this guide, you've enhanced your Confluence experience with powerful diagramming tools, allowing for more expressive and organized content. Happy diagramming!